Good morning, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sorry, my voice just left. I wanted to take you with me to my glow up. We're going back to school, going back to work, going back to wherever, and I like to get everything ready for it. So I'm starting with my laser appointment. I've got it at 10 a.m. because it's so freaking hot. I'm not going later, even if I'm exhausted and I just came from my trip. But yes. So let's start with my laser appointment. I'm doing my armpits, all my bikini area, my arms and my legs. Sorry, I'm not functioning, but yeah. So let's go. I'm applying this water. This one is from Lidl, but any thermal water you may find I apply to my hair. So yeah, I need a glow up. I need to take care of myself. I'm going back to work, so I just need to find myself. I'll be using this 2-in-1 hydrating mask and conditioner with mono and organic macadamia oils. It's from Energy Free. I love it. I finished this bottle and this is my third bottle. It's so good. It smells so good, and I like to use it as a mask for my hair in the shower if I don't use it before. Voila. And if I do use it before, I will be using nothing in the shower, and it will leave my hair amazing. So this is as much as I will use. So yeah, sorry about my voice because I'm really tired. It has been a long summer full of a lot of things, and when I'm tired my voice shuts down, my body shuts down. Actually, everything will leave me. So yeah, right now it has been so hot here in Bolu. No, it did calm down a little bit. I wanted to do my glow up as soon as I reached, so I will feel better, but it was 40 degrees Celsius here. You couldn't do anything, like really. And I had stuff to go outside and I was dying. I'm just glad I came from Marrakesh and I was used to the hot weather, like extreme hot weather, so that's why it was alright. Okay, and there's no more. So yeah, I will put this all over my hair, leave it a little bit, and then I will brush it all over. But right now I will just leave it. Look at my hair. I did cut my hair actually, but it didn't work. Yeah, so I think I will go for a little bit of olive oil. So I've got some olive oil. I swear by olive oil. I mean, my mom, she used to put olive oil all over our hair when we were young, and I had such beautiful hair. A lot of quantity, was amazing. And then I stopped because I don't know, you know, when you're a teenager, you don't want to do anything, you don't do it because you think everything is stupid. Yeah, that's it. That's the point of it. Anyway, now feels better. Olive oil is this, and this mask is so good. Like literally, so good. It's as much hair as I will use for the moment, because when I go into the shower, it looks like I didn't brush my hair. Am I the only one? Like when I go into the shower, I do brush it before. I will get everything ready for the shower, and as soon as I open the shower, it will get all tangled. I'm like, what? Hair is done. Good. We'll leave it like this as much as needed. I will start by applying some powder to my face so I will not hurt myself, because it did happen to me before and I suffered a lot. I have hurt here. It was during COVID, by the way. I don't know why the mask made me so sensitive. And by the way, I washed all my brushes. I don't know this one is anyway. So I'm taking a brush and I will apply some face powder, just like this. I've been talking to my doctor about doing laser to my face, because actually I think it could be a good idea, because I just struggle with my mustache, and not even everywhere, it's just here. I have some, you know, very dark thick hair, and sometimes here, like 2 or 3, and here, because like I just have here. Actually I don't have I'm a very lucky person, I guess, in this area of my body, because I don't have to do my eyebrows. Like this is the shape of my eyebrows. I don't do anything, and thank God, because I'm too lazy to do anything. So I'm thinking about doing just here, you know, I mean my mustache. By the way, if you have done it, I mean my sister did it, and at the beginning it was nice, but then she stopped. She freaked out because actually you stop waxing and you start shaving your face, and she did struggle a lot with shaving like her whole body, so she was like, nope, I'm not doing that. But for me, I don't have a lot of quantity, but the ones that I have, they are thick, so I'm thinking about it. I'm like, could be a good idea if I can stop for the rest of my life waxing my face. I would be so happy because I do get some things from waxing I don't like I pull my skin and I can feel, you know, the consequences. So I can. My mirror is here. Excuse me. I'll be right back. Let me show you how I apply it. Now I will do my eyebrows, this part right here, really fast. I just do like this, push a little bit, and do like this. I don't do the end because I really don't mind. But the front, it looks, as I told you, it looks dirty and I hate that. Do like this, one up and one down, and that's it. Well, yesterday I was watching TikTok about a girl asking other girls why do they shave or wax. Is it because people force, like, they will not force them, but you know, make them feel like they have to, because they will look at them, because they will not feel comfortable with it or whatever. And some people said, yeah, because if I go to the beach and I have a lot of hair, you know, they will think I'm dirty, they will think this, they will think that. By the way, I'm using a little finish wipe, they call it, to remove all the wax that was left. Yeah, and as I was saying, like, they were all kind of forced, and most probably, I think if I ask other people, they'll say the same. But for me, I hate any kind of hair if it's not on my head and, you know, on my eyebrows, my eyelashes, and I guess that's it. For the rest of my body, I hate having any kind of hair. I hate it. I'm not even joking. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's it. I don't like it. I literally hate it. So that's why I'm doing everything to remove them. I cannot deal with them. So you see, I didn't hurt myself. I'm happy. I just wanted to tell you guys, this is like, nobody's paying for this, but I'm so happy. I don't know about you guys, but I did struggle a lot when I was younger with hair, because I don't have a lot of hair on my body, but I do have thick hair. And like, whatever I do, if I shaving was the worst experience. But if I shave, if I even waxing, and I do have kind of hair that will grow fast, alhamdulillah, but still, it is like, I did struggle with it. So at the beginning I was shaving, waxing, you know, using bead, whatever I was using, it was not a solution. And like 3 or 4 years ago, yeah, I don't remember, I started laser sessions, and like yesterday I did my 8th session. I am so happy. Actually, it was just a touch up for my armpits. I did almost nothing. There's almost nothing. Actually, I was doing more, you know, the outside part, because like she was doing most of the time here, you know, it's white, I don't really need to do anything. But you know, the outside parts like this, because, you know, nobody taught me how to shave or not to shave, what I was supposed to do. So anything I was doing was like, when I'm going back and checking, I was doing the worst things you can do to your body when shaving and waxing. So anyways, actually it's behaving so good, because right now I almost have nothing. I'm so happy with that. And I'm doing the same with the bikini area, and my arms, they're almost done. By the way, look at this. I don't know, I think I'm reacting back to the sun, but anyway. And yeah, so same with the with my legs, my arms, you know, I'm going through it. And then I want to do my face, as I told you. I'm checking for my face, because if I can do that and be hair free, body hair free for the rest of my life, that's good. Anyway, right now I will go remove all the nail polish on my feet and my hands. We'll wait a little bit for the mask and then I will hop on the shower. We'll talk to you as soon as I finish the shower and show you the rest of my routine. So I just washed my hair, my nail polish, I removed it, so good. And I've done a smoothie with spinach, cucumber and lemon juice. I just squeezed a lemon. So this is how it looks. I know it's not yummy at all, but I have seen a huge improvement since, like, I had this smoothie like 3 or 4 times before I go to Morocco to my trip, and then I didn't have it more than that, and my acne just went down like 3-4 days before that. It went down a little bit and then I started eating bad again and it came back. So I'm taking this back. Now I will go do my nails. I guess I will do red, I'm not sure. My skin feels so smooth. I'm looking for skincare, but I'm still struggling to find the kind of skincare that will work for me. I will let my hair air dry a little bit by the time I finish doing my nails, and then I will do my hair. My nails are done. Look how pretty they look. I like to keep them short when I do red nails. And right now I just realized it's all 5 p.m. and my hair is not done yet. I just have my hair to do. So I just stopped and we'll have lunch, a healthy lunch, and we'll keep watching my series. I don't know if you watched it. The name is Innocent. It's a Spanish series which I love. So I will do that. I will show you. I've made some chicken here with oregano and olive oil and some salts and garlic powder, actually. Some zucchini here, which I love on like kind of spaghettis when I'm like I just want some spaghettis but I shouldn't eat them, so I do this, and some salad right here. And there you have the series. So we'll eat and continue later. I'm back. I had lunch. I'm so full, alhamdulillah. Now part 2. I will start with these whitening strips. These ones, they are from Crest 3D White. Yes, it's not my first time using them. They're so nice, so good. So I will do one today and I will apply them. Most probably I will not be able to talk properly, so after that I will do my hair. It's almost dry. I will do my hair. I don't think I'll be showing you how I do it because I already did, I think, 2 or 3 videos how I do my hair. So I will put the strips on my strips. I don't know how you say it. Right now I will show you how I do it actually. I will apply this one on the top part and this one on the bit. So let's go. I will just dry my teeth so it will stick as I want it to stick. That will look so weird, so please don't judge me. And that's it. You see, I talk weird. Right now it's 6 p.m. I will wait for them until like 6:30, I guess, or a bit more, and then I will remove them. I will do my hair and I'll be back. See you guys. Look at my hair. I love it, but I'm sweating. That's it. I'll put it up like this so I can remove this. Oh my god, look at the difference. I love it. I love it. This is one. Oh, sorry. Now I will put my aligners. I don't know if you know, but I'm using aligners. So I will put them back. I will not wash anything. I will just put them. And I will not wash my teeth. I will put them on top. Just like that. So they still you'll stay like a little bit more. And that's it. So this is the final result. These are my teeth. They are all white and my hair looks this healthy. Don't mind my pajamas. Olive oil is amazing for my hair. I know some people, they prefer coconut oil and all that stuff. For my hair, the best one is olive oil. My nails, they are done. My skin is feeling so good. I'm so happy. My body is perfect, and yeah. So this is what I do when I want a little glow up. I never apply makeup the day I do all this, because I open up my pores and I do spa when I'm showering, so I don't like to, you know, my skin is so sensitive at that time to apply anything, so I don't like to apply anything, and I do this the day I'm staying at home and I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, and by the way, you guys, I saw some comments asking me to talk in French or in Arabic, so let me know if you want me to do that. I can do it. I can do some videos like that, and yeah. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.